Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and spending a little time with me today. This week I'm going to be planning the week of June 7th in my Recollections Celestial planner using this gorgeous Sweet Orchid kit by thegivinggirl. And I am an affiliate partner or brand ambassador, whatever you want to call it, for thegivinggirl. So make sure you use my code Lisa10 to save, or use it's all linked down below, Anyways, so I'm going to be using that kit for this week. Here's a glimpse of last week in my planner, which is the Moon Princess, Sailor Moon themed kit by Sticker Guru. I'll have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards in case you want to watch, because I'm going to be recapping last week as I lay down the base of this kit. And then once we get to Monday for this week, I'll go ahead and start telling you my plans as I pre-plan for this week. So let's go ahead and get started with recapping, memory planning, or whatever. What am I doing? With recapping so far last week. So first of all, on Monday, it was Memorial Day last week. So my son didn't have any school because, well, obviously school's out, but he did sign up for summer school. It's basically just like extracurricular activities. It's not like making up credit. It's just for fun. But because of Memorial Day, they didn't have school that day. So school started on June 1st. But anyway, so it was Memorial Day, and over at the thrift store, we decided to stop by and take advantage of their Memorial Day sale for their card members. It was 50% off. And so we decided to get some clothes. I do need some new clothes for my new job because the dress code is a kind of business casual dress code, and which is sort of annoying because it's not a customer facing job. So it's who am I dressing up for, And I am still on a weight loss journey. And I didn't have any clothes that fit me from my old job with the professional clothes that I had because I was 50 pounds heavier. So, but I also don't want to buy, I don't want to invest in some nice clothes that fit me now if I'm still planning on losing 25 or 30 pounds, you know what I mean? So anyways, so we took advantage of their sale, and also we went to the DSW shoe store place because, my son signed up for basketball for summer school, and he needed some good, quality basketball shoes. So we got him some of those. I think they had a sale too. Yeah, I did. I had a $10 off, a $50 purchase or something. Anyways, so we did a little shopping, and then also I put in my planner when I was memory planning that we measured him and found out that he's half an inch taller than me. So I was it was a bittersweet moment because, obviously I hope, I always hoped he's going to outgrow me because I'm pretty short. I'm 5'3". So I'm obviously I hope he's going to be taller than me. And I knew the day would come, so, but it's wild to think that my son's taller than me now. And also I'm the height of an 11-year-old boy. What the heck? Why did I not keep growing? Anyways, the date dots I'm using are also from thegivinggirl, from one of her older clear sheets that she used to include in her kits, but she has since reformatted. Anyways, moving on to Tuesday. So Tuesday was my son's first day of summer school, and he had a blast. I also had a doctor appointment to follow up for my blood work. If y'all been following me, I've been trying to get a hypothyroid diagnosis because I have all of the symptoms, and it does heavily run in my family history. And also the last time I was tested, my levels were my TSH levels were a bit elevated. So that's why I was being retested. And then anyways, my follow-up found out that, he's your thyroid levels are fine. And I'm I just can't get a doctor who would listen to me, because I've heard from a lot of different articles and some of y'all anecdotally and stuff that if it runs in your family history and you have literally all of the symptoms, and your TSH is maybe a little bit elevated, or even if it's not sometimes it's just everybody's different. And even though it might be in a normal range, maybe I still need a little bit more than most people. You know what I mean? Because obviously I still have the symptoms, all of the symptoms. Anyways, the thing that alarmed him was my triglycerides were very, very high. And he's I hope this is an error, because 6 months ago your triglycerides were normal and now they've more than tripled. So I want to retest your blood again before I prescribe any cholesterol medication. And I'm sir, yet another symptom of hypothyroidism. If this is a correct triglyceride report, why in the hell is my freaking cholesterol this high? I don't eat meat and I exercise 7 days a week. So please explain to me then, how the hell is my freaking cholesterol that high? Oh, gee, look at that. It's another symptom of hypothyroidism, you know? So he doesn't want to listen because he's more nervous that he said that too much thyroid medication can like mess up my heart. So I'm like, okay, well, you know what? Can you just refer me to an endocrinologist because I have something, okay? These symptoms aren't coming from nowhere. There's something wrong. And I need to find out why. I don't want to treat the symptoms. I want to treat the root cause. And you clearly don't care. All you care about right now is my cholesterol. Anyways, so that was my appointment on Tuesday. I'm going to be using some floral decor from Sadie stickers, as well as a mandala from JK Creates Co., which is another shop I PR for, and then this pretty sunburst frame from Dash's Sun, which is another shop I PR for. And I love these sunburst frames. They're so cool. So that was my Tuesday. We also went and bought a bike lock from Walmart for my son because he wants to start riding his bike to school because we live less than a mile away and he thinks it'd be just kind of fun to, you know, be a big boy and go to school all by himself. And so he's really proud. We're really proud that he's been able to do that. Anyways, on Wednesday last week, I just did a little bit of cleaning up, painted my nails, and we got Domino's for dinner, which was nice because it was a free pizza with, you know, like Domino's rewards or whatever. Then on to Thursday, I had to email. So for my new job that I'm going to be starting this week, the recruiter emailed me some information regarding, dress code and like first day of what the documents I need to bring and direct deposit and stuff like that. So I just put in my planner. I got the email from the recruiter and we had to go to the pharmacy to refill my medication. Oh, I also got some fun stuff from Amazon. I was super excited because I got some like sweatbands for my head, like headbands, because I don't have enough and I hate when I'm working out and the sweat's just like getting all over my face and dripping in my eyes. So I got like that, and I got a couple of shirts for work too, just like some nice looking professional shirts and stuff. Anyways, I'm starting to get to Monday, so we need to hurry up. Friday, it was National Donut Day, so there was free donuts at Krispy Kreme, which is awesome. I also took advantage of the Pop Fit leggings. I saw that they had an offer on Facebook for a free pair of leggings, and so I was like, sure, why not? Because I am familiar with them from YouTube because I do their free workouts before I started doing the Apple Fitness Plus trial. And so I like Pop Fitness. They have Pop Fit Sugar or something like that is what it's called. I don't know. Anyways, so I ordered the leggings and I also got a free sports bra. I already got them in the mail. So the shipping is really fast. If you see the offer on Facebook, I would say take advantage of it because it's legit. I paid for shipping, like $12.99. But I got a free pair of leggings and a free sports bra, and I tried it on. I haven't tried on the leggings yet, but I did want to try on the sports bra just because, you know, you don't want it too tight. You don't want them bouncing around and stuff. I need that support too, but at the same time, I don't want to be like suffocating. And it fit perfectly, and it's so cute. It has this like mesh in the front that goes over the like cleavage. Oh my God, it looks so freaking cute. I think it's called like the Valentina sports bra. I don't know. Anyways, I highly recommend them. So if you see that offer on Facebook, take advantage of it because it's not fake. I already got mine. It was really fast. Saturday, we just went over to my in-laws' house and had dinner and watched, what did we watch? Oh, we watched 101 Dalmatians because we want to get like excited for watching Cruella and my son has never seen it. And then Sunday, I'm just trying to upload this plan with me. And also we need to go to the library too for my son to get some books, and I need to get some more clothes and just get ready for work on Monday. So anyways, speaking of Monday, let me tell you what I've been doing. So first off, on Monday, it is my first day of work at my new job. So I used a box from the kit and then a work bow arrow from the thegivinggirl. Then on Tuesday, I'm going to be uploading my memory plan with me. So I'm using a floral deco over a bow accent circle and then a Dash of Sun Designs play button. On Wednesday, I need to paint my nails. So I'm going to use a box from the kit and then the paint nails script by Dash of Sun, a floral deco, and then a JK Creates Co. nail polish icon, one of her hand-drawn doodles, as well as one of these leafy vine kind of dividers underneath it. Thursday, my son has a doctor appointment, so I'm using a floral deco and then a scalloped corner from the kit and then a sofa chair from Crafts by Towie to mark because it's like a therapy appointment, so I kind of consider those more like the chair worthy, you know, like a couch or a chair. Anyways, also at the bottom of Thursday, I'm using a box from the kit and then a Pretty Moon florally deco from CTM box shop or CTM papery, whatever she goes by. Then on Friday, I have a bill due, so I'm going to use one of these little arrow bow accent things from the kit. and that's it. There's no buildews in the kit, so I'm just using the arrow. And also at the bottom of the day, I used a scallop box from the kit with a rose-colored days bow squiggle and a trash can icon from Magic Prints Co. I've had those for so long, they're very old, the trash can icons, and I only have 2 left. So I was like, oh, I might as well just use up the sheet, you know? Then on Saturday, I'm going to take another floral deco and a Apple Rings bow icon from a Fox and Pip because I need to cancel my Apple Fitness Plus trial. I got a 3-month free trial when I got my new Apple Watch, and I really do like the Fitness Plus thing, and I really love the trainers too. I love Bettina, I love Kim, I love Bakari, Scott. I love all the trainers too. They're really great. I'm gonna miss them, but it's just like I can get free workouts on YouTube, you know. Also, I signed up for a new gym membership. I'm really excited to go, but the gym isn't open yet. They're going to be opening up at the end of July, and so by signing up now, I actually got like discounted rates that are going to be grandfathered. Thankfully, it's not a contract, but they're going to be grandfathered as long as I am a member. So I was like, ooh, sweet, you know? So I'm excited for that. Anyways, on to Sunday, I'm just going to mark uploading my plan with me the same way I did on Tuesday. And then I'm going to take a box from the kit and another arrow with the bow accent because it's also kind of a bill because I'm going to be having my Fab Fit Fun renewal. I just pay for the annual membership because you get more perks that way. And then I took another squiggle from JK Creates Co. to go underneath it. But yeah, I definitely love Fab Fit Fun, and I love paying for the annual because there's so many more perks. You get to choose more things, and you get your box faster, and you get access to sales before everybody else. It's really great to just pay for the annual subscription because I think the boxes are worth it for sure. Oh, also Saturday, the half box at the bottom of the day was just, I leave it blank just to mark in whatever movie we watch for our little family movie night on Saturday. So I always leave that blank, and I memory keep day by day, and then that's why I upload my memory plan with me. I'm just going to take some Simply Gilded washi to go at the top of the day there, as I always do, to kind of spruce it up. And then I'm going to fill it in with my Sharpie S-Gel pen, and I'll show you what everything looks like after the pen. And that's going to be pretty much everything for this plan with me. I want to thank y'all so much for being here and watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it does help out my channel and the video, and I truly appreciate your support. Be sure that you're subscribed if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. By the way, I did want to mention I did not put in my planner that I'm going to be like filming or uploading anything besides for those 2 uploads because I want to get my June plan with me uploaded Wednesday, but I don't know if I can commit with my new job. I don't know what my filming schedule is going to be like. So wish me luck. But anyways, definitely subscribe so you don't miss more of my videos. Be sure to leave me a comment if you have a question about anything or if you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back because I love chatting with y'all. I hope that you're well. Remember that you're loved, you're worthy, and you're enough just the way that you are. Don't let anyone try to tell you otherwise. I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.